All right, we are in Mark's
2010
Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, and according to him, this is a maximum spec edition. So it's every option it has. And if you don't know, this is Alex's favorite car. Oh, I put my gloves on without my helmet. This is Alex's favorite car here, and obviously one of my favorites in a video game. And this is the first time I've ever driven a ZR1. And I just took a ride in it with Mark, and I can't even express to you guys how much mechanical grip this car has. And according to him, the tires are 4 years old, and it felt like the car was on slicks. And this car's on Michelin Pilot Sport cups, right?
Yeah.
These are not Cup 2s, these are Cup 1s.
Yeah.
And they're very old.
And they're very hard.
According to him.
No, the car sat for 1.5 years in the garage.
And honestly, this thing was flying out there with him. Get myself comfortable. Oh, up. There we go. So we're gonna go over for reverse. All right, so we just came out of Jason's R8, which was a stick. So again, I haven't driven stick in a year, so I got acquainted with that car, and it was a lot, obviously, more balanced. Not as much power as something like this. This car, from what I know from my Google research, has about 650 horsepower, right?
638.
638, there we go. 638 horsepower in a car that probably weighs only 3,400 pounds.
It's less than that.
Oh, this is this is the ZR1. We got Jem in front of us. Wow, look at that. Turbo S with Yokohama center locks. Big baller. God damn. All right, so we're just gonna take a quick slow lap. We're gonna show Mark the line. Mark is probably the most aggressive driver out here, which is pretty awesome. I mean, I definitely give him credit to that. So let's just...
I don't scare.
He does not scare. He rode with me. He didn't even break a sweat. Okay, so let's get out here.
This is my first time.
This is his first track day. So he's a drag racer, and I'm talking serious 1,700 horsepower car drag racer.
2,500.
2,500. So we're gonna stay on the blend line right here, come out, get to our cone, turn this car. Wow, this thing's amazing. Already, I can feel it. We wanna make a straight line, get to the straightaway right here. Gearbox is really good. I love this. Communicates really well to you. Nice solid shifts. We're gonna stay, and then we're gonna go in the middle, and then come out. You are doing really good right here, and then we're gonna work our way in to this apex cone over here.
Okay.
And track the car out, and get back to the right side. And on your 4, he brakes. Downshift, look to your left, late apex, get to the cone, let the car track out. Track out. About the 4th one, solid brakes, downshift, look to your left, hit the pointer cone right there, track left, stay left, small brakes, get to our pointer cone over here, stay in the middle, track out, we're going to brake in a straight line. Straight line braking, then turn right.
Okay. So I was hitting the brake while turning.
Yes.
for days.
Oh yeah. So fucking awesome. It's just so balanced. So I did get a little oversteer on that
corner,
on that fast left-hander. So let's kind of go over. I probably adjusted the weight on the body a little too violently, and it wanted to oversteer on me. I probably shouldn't have gotten so much on the curving, but it was still fine. It was easy correction. But if we're talking real technical, the car feels great. There's only one thing I would need. Needs a seat.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, I'm like
that's where I like.
I'm pushing my knees. Yeah.
Yeah.
The brakes, even for 4-year-old tires, we didn't even brake 220. The brakes, amazing. The transmission, holy shit, amazing. Crisp every time we hit the shift, just perfect shift every time. And he drives this shit hard. He's out there banging gears. So, did you see how easy I was downshifting?
Yeah.
And the car never got upset, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if the car was rev matching for me.
It doesn't.
And
no.
I can't hear the revs, so I didn't want to rev match it.
Yeah.
I can't actually hear it in the car, so I wasn't rev matching. I was just going really easy into the gear.
Mm-hmm.
But did you see when I went into the gear, I was still going straight?
Yep.
So you want to stay. You want to do that. Get your straight line braking done, right?
Yep.
Boom, boom.
Down.
So you want to get your straight line braking done, right? So we're in third gear. We're in fourth gear on that straight, right? We're going down. Clutch easy out. Clutch easy out. And then let's start our corner, right?
Yeah.
When you're dive bombing in that first turn, you're in third, right? And then
well, you were staying in third most of the time.
Yes.
I was dropping down to second.
Yep. And the car gets jerky and shit on you.
And it starts sliding out.
Yep.
Because you drop it into second, it kicks the rear end out.
Yep. Because I know what power I need and what speed I need to maintain. I'm using momentum in the car to get us around the track instead of brute forcing it. Where you're using second gear and giving it all 638 horsepower, right? I'm in third, just baby bullshitting it, but my average speed is much higher, and I'm being easier on the tires, I'm easier on the brakes.
Yeah.
So that's what I was saying. If you just calm it down, you've got it, man, because your line is good. You're super hard on the brakes, maybe a little too hard.
Hey Mark, you have any mat?
What?
You have any mat? Oh, not like that.
No, I just have 109 or DP import.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.
This is an incredible machine.
We need to